Sit erect in the chair, palms placed on thighs, chin parallel to the floor. Inhale here. From here, circle the head in one direction. Draw big circles with the chin. Feel the stretch all around the neck muscles. Inhale halfway and exhale during the other half. Breathe comfortably and evenly. If you feel dizzy, slow down the pace. Sit on the chair with your back straight. Place your hands in front of you. Slowly rotate both the shoulders at the same time in circular movement, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Stand erect with feet hip-width apart. Raise arms overhead, interlock your fingers and gaze ahead. Inhale, straighten the arms towards ceiling. Lengthen from the spine and avoid arching from the back. Shoulders stay away from the ears. Keep the elbows straight. Avoid leaning your back for support. Avoid arching from lower back. Exhale, come back to the starting position. Stand erect with your feet together. Breathing in, lift your both hands up from the front, keeping the knees straight. Now slowly exhale and bend forward. Reach downwards, lead from the mid-back and lengthen from the lower back. Try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Breathe in, lift torso and both hands up from the front and perform a gentle back bend again. Exhaling, bring back your hands down next to your thighs. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale, raise the arms to the sides at shoulder level. Exhale and twist towards the right. Bring your left hand on your right shoulder and wrap your right arm from behind around your lower back. Look over your right shoulder and deepen the twist with every breath. Inhale, come back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Stand erect with feet hip-width apart, hands on the waist. Gently tighten the glutes, pull up the kneecaps and push the hip forward. Leading with the chest, lean backwards from the mid-back. The ribcage first pushes forward and then upward towards the sky. Go into a gentle back bend while gently pushing your hips forward. Inhale. Slowly come up. During the hold, engage the glutes, quads and grip the floor with your toes. Take your gaze only till you can balance in this position. Drop the head back gently, gaze at the sky. Sit erect in the chair, palms placed on thighs. Now close your right nostril with right thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Inhale, count mentally 1, 2, 3 or until your inhale comfortably ends. Now close the left nostril with your right ring finger and exhale from the right nostril by removing right thumb. Count till 1, 2, 3 as you exhale. Inhale through right nostril as you count and close it with the right thumb at the end of inhalation. Now exhale through left nostril for the same count. This is one round. Keep shoulders relaxed and collarbone wide throughout. Inhale and exhale should be even pace. Avoid breathing forcibly. Sit erect on the chair with your back straight, hands on your thighs in Gyan Mudra. Join your teeth lightly, separate your lips to expose the teeth. Inhale slowly and deeply through your teeth. At the end of the inhalation, close your mouth. Exhale slowly through your nose. Keep shoulders down and relaxed. Keep the spine erect throughout. Sit erect in the chair, hands on your thighs. Now bring your tongue out and fold both sides of the tongue towards each other, which resembles a tube or a straw. Take a long, deep inhalation through the center of this tube, which is formed by folding both sides of the tongue. After inhalation, close your mouth and exhale with both nostrils. Sit in the chair with an erect spine, hands placed on thighs. Raise arms overhead, interlock your fingers and gaze ahead. Inhale, straighten the arms towards ceiling. Lengthen from the spine and avoid arching from the back. Shoulders stay away from the ears. Keep the elbows straight. Avoid leaning your back for support. Avoid arching from lower back. Exhale, come back to the starting position. Sit erect in the chair. Raise the arms overhead. Inhale here. Exhale. With a tall spine and straight arms, lean the torso to rest the chest on the thighs. Wrap the arms around the back of the knees. Rest a cheek on the knees and lengthen the spine. Breathe comfortably through this position. Keep lengthening the back and neck relaxed. Hug the knees closer to you as you push the hips away from the knees. Inhale, unwrap the hands and come into seated position with arms overhead. Exhale as you place the palms on thighs. Sit erect in the chair, gaze ahead and don't lean back for support. Inhale here. Exhale, wrap the right arm behind the back. Left palm holds the outside of the right knee and twist to the right side as you look over the right shoulder. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Maintain normal breathing pace. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, repeat on the other side. Spine stays tall and avoid shrugging from the shoulders. Deepen the twist with the exhalation.